All right, I'm pretty stoked. I just got this new Bolus chair. This is their heavyweight one, 400 pounds it's rated to. So I should have no problem on this one. It's got this suspension back. I haven't had a chair like that before, but certainly nice and wide. We're going to let it get its inaugural sit-in. You can see that there's already hair on it, but now it's got its inaugural dude sitting on it. And it seems pretty comfortable. I just put it together. It's got 4 screws here. This back piece, everything's covered in dog hair. This back piece is connected to here with 4 screws. This whole thing is put together with this Allen head. So I just put it into my Dremel and screwed the whole thing in just a matter of moments. So 4 screws to hold the back suspension to the corner, whatever you call this part. Then there's four screws here to hold it to the bottom of the seat. 3 screws on either of the arms, and it's got 2 arms that adjust both up and out. And then you've got the top is just setting on the bottom post. This post is just setting in the bottom, and then this is just setting on here as well. So no screws or any kind of adjustments there. If you need to take it apart and get it out of here, looks like about 12 screws will take it apart, and you can put it back in the box that it came in. But so far, it looks really good. I haven't actually sat in it yet. I just filmed the video right away. Little dude's the first one sitting in it, but I'm really looking forward to it. The last chair is essentially a lab chair, so this is a big upgrade. All right, the Bolus heavy duty 400-pound chair. Really looking forward to it. Hope this helps.